Alright guys, so you can see the post has been put in the ground. I'm going to leave it for a day, so in that one day till tomorrow I'm going to make a door in the time being. And once I make the door, it should be good, so I don't have to worry about the dogs eating my eggs, right? Because dogs love the chicken eggs and the peacock eggs. And peacock eggs, believe it, we breed peacocks, right? So if you want peacocks, let us know. One peacock egg costs like over $70, $80 to $100 depending on the breed. Our breed is purebred, so it costs like almost $80 for an egg. So we don't want the dogs to eat them. They ate a whole bunch of peacock egg already. That's a lot of money, right? So we don't want them to eat the eggs. That's the reason I'm putting the gate, because the gate was broken for over a month. And I did not care for it because the dogs are the guardians, but, well, they get naughty. They go to the kitchen and get some eggs. That's what they like. So, all good, leveled up, good enough, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. Level should be good enough, right? As when the door closes, it shouldn't have any gaps, right? Not much, right? And then on the bottom side, I tamped it with the tamper. That tamp is really useful. It's a heavy thing, and you can tamp it to a nice level. It's very heavy. So those are the tools I use: tamp, a little hoe, and shovel if you want. I didn't use the shovel because it was a small job. I used a hoe. And then you have this auger, lifesaver. It takes like 10 or 15 seconds most to dig a 3-foot hole. And it can go through clay, believe me or not, it can go through clay, because some of the areas we have here is clay, and goes through clay is like as if it's no big deal, right? So that's how auger comes in handy. Yeah, so every time I work I get refreshed by my peacocks. See that peacock? Yeah, he's always there. He don't like to go out. Door is always open. He can fly over the coop, but he likes to be here to attract the peacock. And he thinks the chickens are peacocks too. So he dances for the chickens. We have 4 females here. Well, he don't want them. We have 4 female peacocks ready to breed. But, well, he say, I'm going to dance for the chickens. When he was a little tiny baby, right, we got him as a baby, he loved to dance for the chickens. So he thinks chickens are his, also his attractive mate. So that's how it is. Nature, so perfect, so beautiful, so elegant. Nothing more elegant than Mother Nature. You see all the imperfections and the perfections is a pure balance. It's a miracle how nature can know how to balance things. Not everything is good, not everything is bad. It's a fine balance. That's important for nature to survive, for nature to sustain that fine balance. Creation, destruction and recreation is very important to happen. That's why everything living decays. There is nothing in this world that is living and does not decay, because that's how it's supposed to be. It gives a refreshed life for other things. Everything is contained within this universe, right? Nothing goes away anywhere. It's all contained. It all circulates like rain, right? I don't want to go too deep in the philosophy, but if you want more philosophies, talk to me. I'll be a philosophy guide. I've seen a lot of things in